Milla Milla waterfalls. The sun is out a little bit, but we are heading up the mountain, so we're hoping that the debris has been cleared, because yeah, the road was closed on the way yesterday. Hoping for the best. Yes, the road is open. Fortunately this time the road is actually open, so that means they've cleared any debris that's blocking this mountain road. And so yeah, we're really excited because this is like one of the locations we're really keen on visiting, and you know, because of the weather as well. It's rainy, it's gloomy. That means the water is going to be strong when we get to the waterfall, and we might visit too, but for now let's just try get to that one and enjoy it. So yeah, we'll see you once we're at the falls, because it's getting really crooked like for the camera anyway. Try and turn it around. So it's the car park. So after about an hour and a half, an hour 40-minute drive, we have made it to Milla Milla Falls, and there's no crazy hike or trek to it. You just walk down these sets of steps and you can already kind of see the waterfall from here. So it's very exciting. I'll show you what the steps look like. Jungle looks so lush. Looks so nice. Might be a little bit slippery. When we got here, there was about 3 other cars, so I'm not too fussed. It is a Wednesday after all, so that's really good. We're almost at the bottom of the steps. Pretty keen. It's been quite a long time since Alex and I have been to a waterfall. I think the last time was Cebu, or August of 2019. So that was a long time ago. And now our next waterfall that we're visiting is here in Australia, our home country. So it's super exciting. Crazy, huh? Water is so cold. It's quite refreshing. It's just right. What? It's just right. It's so cold. Whatever. It's so fun. How was the water?
It was really nice.
Oh, hide the food, sis. How do you like the food? Yummy? Quick snack as we chill at the waterfall. We're finally done for the day. Spent a couple hours here at Milla Milla Falls. We were planning on going in different falls as well, but this is our last day, so I think we're kind of done for today. We had other places that we want to go to, but we're good. I'm happy. Bye.